Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy Instagram URL link. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open your Instagram and log in into your account, and then you need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on edit profile. And once you are here, you simply need to copy your username and click on copy, and then you need to go back and open any browser, and here you need to search for instagram.com slash and put your username here. So let me put my username here. Okay, and then you need to click on search. So this is your username. You simply need to select the whole like I am doing. Click on copy, and you can share that with any of your friends. So let me share with one of my friend to show you how that person can use that. So put it here, and once that person is going to click on that and use that to so open in any browser like this and click on that, and he can easily access my Instagram profile. Like, let me show you. So this is my Instagram profile. So this is a process by which you can copy Instagram profile link. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.